Presenting the CP Plus 2.4 MP, H.265 Plus, 2 TB storage, 4 camera full HD CCTV wired security camera set combo kit. It comes with DVI-HF VGA and HDMI output, 1 audio input and output and 4 nose number 2 TB Seagate Skyhawk hard drive. H.265 Plus 4-channel Cosmic DVR, CPU VIA0401E1HC, 1 nose, plus 2.4 MP Full HD Night Vision Outdoor Bullet IP66 camera and 2.4 megapixel 4 cameras CCTV security surveillance system set kit for home, office, shop. It comes with plus 12 volts 5 amp and 4-switch metal body power supply, 1 nose #CP. It also features support on tweet #CP plus 2.4 megapixel Full HD 1080p and 1 RAN/network RJ45 port and 2 units port. Cameras, hard drive, cables and accessories and compression coding as save up to 90% bandwidth and storage at the same level of video quality. The delivery box contains DVR adapter, mouse, HDD cables and HDD screw. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.